Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Today's video, guys, will show you how to use a piston ring compressor tool. Okay, that tool is amazing. It will save you so much headache and it will make sure that you install the pistons the correct way, so you can install the piston in the cylinder block. This compressor will compress the piston rings and that way you can install it. Let me show you how you use that thing, guys. That set that we got, okay, actually even comes with pliers as well. Okay, you can see those are the piston ring pliers. Let me show you how convenient they are if you want to remove or replace your rings. Okay, check it out. It just takes a second to remove or replace a piston ring. And that tool is most likely used for the compression rings, which is 1 and 2. The oil ring, you most likely, okay, do it by hand. Now, let me show you. We have a video, a specific video that explains how you're supposed to place the piston rings. You have to make sure that the piston is completely clean now. Okay, the tool on the inside has to be clean as well. No dust, no dirt or anything like that. We're going to get some engine oil now. Okay, we'll need to use some engine oil. Okay, let me get that box here. And we're going to apply oil to the piston rings, the piston itself. Quite a bit of oil. Okay, check it out. Soak it really good. Make sure that you don't have a dry spot. I'll apply a little bit to the bolt as well here, the wrist. Now, that too, you need to do the same procedure. Apply oil, spread it everywhere. It needs to be really well lubricated. Check it out, like super lubricated. Now, I'll recommend using gloves. Don't ask me why I'm not using, but you should definitely use gloves. Now, this is the piston right here. The rings are the correct way. Again, check out the video if you don't know that. And I need to loosen it a little bit. This one goes from like 2 to 7 inch piston. Okay, so let's see if that will do it. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, perfect. Now, you install it with the bolt here. You have to make sure that the rings are in, everything is in like it's supposed to be. Let me do one final inspection here, because otherwise you can damage your rings really bad. And after that, okay, I'll start getting the tool tight. Okay, you can see how it's getting tight now. I'll leave the piston. Some people don't. I usually leave it like that, a little bit sticking out, so it's easier to start it going in the cylinder. Now, believe me, you want to get that thing tight, guys, with the tool. Okay, ours seem fine now. Let me see if I can go one more time. No, that's it. Now, what do we need to do? Okay, let me leave it here for 1 second. We will install it in cylinder number 2. That's piston number 2. You need to wipe everything, make sure that you don't have any dust at all. Again, oil. Apply lots of oil. Perfect. Now let me show you, okay, what you need to do after that. I'm going to go ahead, grab the piston. Usually it has a specific direction that you have to follow. In our case, you can see right here it says, let me see, 05, okay. That's pointing towards the front of the engine, and that dot is towards the timing cover. But every piston is different, so you have to know yours. Okay, I'm going to wipe the bearing here as well. Now, you have to make sure the crankshaft is down. Hold the tool down with your hand. With one hand hold it down, with the other hand just push it down. But now you have to be careful. If it stops, don't force it because you will break a ring. It might not work the first time, so if it doesn't, we'll try again. Okay, ours didn't. It looks like I need to get it more tight. Okay, the second ring went in, but it didn't go all the way. And that could happen. I told you it's not going to work from the first time, but eventually, second or third. That's why you have to be careful and take your time. Because if you don't, what will happen? Okay, you might damage your piston. You don't want that to happen. Let me check the orientation of the rings again to make sure everything's supposed to be where it is where it's supposed to be. My bad. Now let me start getting this thing tight again because I got it too loose now. Okay, we're to the point that almost you will start getting them tight. So there is not an easy way to know if it's going to work the first time or not. The tighter you get it, the better it is. Now you have to inspect all the rings to make sure everything is in good before you get it tight. Because if it's not, you're risking to damage your rings as a result of that. Now, the problem behind that is that my hands are too greasy now, so it's hard for me to hold it good, but I think it got tight this time. So let's try one more time. Okay, it's in. You can see, just like that. You have to make sure you get the rings tight all the way and just push it in. Now, that's the whole video, guys. That's the tool. Pretty simple to use. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you.
Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.